Dear all, in this video, I am going to discuss Python programming using Google Collaboratory, or you can call it as Google Colab. So first of all, we will understand what is Google Colab and how to familiar Google Colab, how to do the programming in Google Colab. So that is the ultimate goal of this presentation. So first of all, I'll be talking about what is Google Colab. So you know that it is similar to Jupyter Notebook and like ideally. Colab is developed by definitely Google. So you must have a Google account to operate Colab. One advantage is no need for independent installation like ideally and the Jupyter Notebook. So you can use it online. That is the advantage. Ensuring high network speed. Okay, you will be getting the output very soon. The Python code can be directly written in the browser. That is another advantage. The notebook file will be stored in the Google Drive. Anytime you can access, it never be lost. Okay, no worries of losing of the data. That is a plus point. Many of the standard libraries have already been available in Colab. No worries about local installation setup. Like we can talk about Jupyter Notebooks. Installation will be a little bit lengthier. Hardware interfacing is also possible. So it is mainly suitable for deep learning applications. Okay, machine learning, deep learning, we can easily make out using Google Collaboratory. Similarly, it's a product of Google and it includes graphic processing unit, GPU. Also, we can have tensor processing unit. This is mainly suitable for ML application, machine learning application. For the normal application, GPU is more than sufficient. So Google Colab is hosted in the cloud. Okay, it's a cloud operating system. Okay, so no need to have any external memory. We can easily operate. If you have an email account, definitely you can use it. And now we'll study how to use Google Collaboratory and type your first program using Google Collaboratory. Apart from that, I'm going to teach you the various options in the Google Collaboratory. Select a browser. Later, go to your search engine. I have chosen Google as a search engine. Later, what you can do is you can just type Google Colab like this. If you type Google Colab, then go for the searching. You'll be getting first option, that is Welcome to Collaboratory. Kindly click on Welcome to Collaboratory. Okay, please do click. As soon as I click on the Google Collaboratory, you will be getting the following options. First option is examples, recent, Google Drive, GitHub, upload. Here, mainly you need to focus on the recent. Please click on the recent. Then you will be getting like a Google Collaboratory. Later, you have to go for new notebook. Okay, that is a procedure. Before that, I want to show you some other options like what is Google Drive, GitHub, upload. Okay, here if you want to have any programs in the GitHub, you can access the code. You can import the code from the GitHub. Also, you can upload the code from the Google Drive. There are so many facilities. Okay, that is a plus point of Google Colab. Now, how to open the new notebook? Yes, bottom side I already mentioned that. Please click on new notebook. I request you to click on the new notebook. Immediately after clicking on the new notebook, definitely you will be getting the window. One window is appeared. Okay, this window is actually basically called the Google Collaboratory, notepad for the Google Collaboratory. Where you will type the program? Yes, here you can type the program. How to run the program? Yes, we have the option. Make sure that you have a good internet speed. Okay, open Google Collaboratory. If you want, you can change the name. Okay, here you can change. I'm going to change the name of this particular notepad. Here, this button is mainly used for run option. Otherwise, you can press Shift plus Enter. That also will work out. I have tried both. Then type your code here. Later, you can press run option, or you can go for Shift plus Enter. For example, I'm going to have a first program. So I want to display my first program in Colab in the Google Collaboratory. What I'm supposed to do, I can use the command print my first program in Colab. Later, you can click on this particular run button. Then I'll be getting the output. What is my output? My first program in Colab. So that is the output. Hope you understood. Likewise, I can perform different operations. Apart from that, if you want to add one more row, you can click on this particular option. Plus code, you can see that. Understanding now? So that you will be getting new lines. So I can relocate the position in the Google Drive by clicking on, just search on the Google Drive and just sign in. Okay. Similarly, you can do the addition of two numbers. Let me check the addition of two numbers. Let me call A and B are the variable. C is equal to A plus B. C is the third variable. Print sum is equal to C. I'll be getting the output as sum. After running, clicking on the run button, I'll be getting the output as 30. Okay. So you can try for this program. Also, how to check the program in the Google Drive? What you can do is, please go to the edit. Here you can click on the locate in drive, where it is available in the drive. So click on edit, then go to click on file, go to locate in drive. Okay, file, locate in drive. That is option. Okay, not edit, go to file. Now you can check it up. These are the programs I have done, which is directly available in the your particular drive. This is my drive, and check it up. Colab notebooks. In that Colab notebooks, my files are available. It is already available. No issues. It never be lost. Similarly, I can download. Go to file. Here you can check the download. Download can be done in Python file or some other files. It is up to you. You can download whichever you want. Similarly, how to give the commenting. So what is the procedure for giving the commenting? Okay, commenting, you can use the hash you can use. Okay, for providing the commenting. Similarly, these are the different examples. Okay. How to increase the font size in the editor? What you are supposed to do? So go to settings. First of all, click on the first procedure is go to settings. First procedure. Second procedure is click on the editor. In that settings, click on the editor. Okay. Then what is the third option? Yeah, I will be showing you the third option to change the font. Yeah, third option is here you have to change the font size. So you can change it as 40. So that font size will be increased. It will be convenient. Also, this you can untick. These 3 points you can untick, and this can also be untick. Depends. These are the different options. It's up to you. Whichever you want, you can make out. Similarly, change the runtime also possible. Here you go to the runtime. Click on the runtime. In that, you can go for change in runtime. That option is also available. Okay, there are plenty of options in Google Collaboratory. Also, if you are doing the program like machine learning, then please select T for GPU. After going for the runtime, after clicking the runtime, you have to select T for GPU. It's applicable for machine learning, deep learning, etc. For the normal programming, CPU is more than sufficient. All right. Okay, these are the basic settings you have to understand. In this video, you have learned about now what is Google Collaboratory, what are the advantages of Google Collaboratory, how to use Google Collaboratory. Also, you have typed the first program using Google Collaboratory, and also some settings you have learned. In the coming session, I'll be explaining about the library, how to access the library in Google Collaboratory. If you have any queries, kindly put up in the comment box. I'm very happy to answer back. Happy learning. Have a great day.